Did you know that AirCrete is a lightweight, fireproof, rot-proof, and do-it-yourself friendly building material? It's made from foam bubbles mixed with Portland and water, providing excellent insulation and structure. Different high-efficiency AirCrete houses are possible in any shape you desire. Resistant to pest, rot, and molds, applications from houses, walk-in coolers to barns and greenhouses. AirCrete houses are also cost-effective and much more in reach than traditional housing when owner-built. It takes one workshop to acquire these skills. The material is a healthy, non-toxic option. AirCrete, a conscious choice to reduce carbon and pollution, as energy usage is not only expensive but the largest producer of carbon and pollution. AirCrete homes are also resistant to extreme temperatures, making them great for both hot and cold climates. So if you're looking for a more sustainable, cost-efficient way to build your home, consider an AirCrete workshop or video course at tinygiantlife.biz or check the description.